wonders, welcome back to our channel. I am here with this awesome Rainglow Zelf.
Ah! It's a parrot Zelf! Oh my goodness!
Oh look, it's red with white face, blue wings, yellow and green in his hands. Exactly like a real parrot. How cool this Zelf is! Okay, it says coconut scented. Oh my goodness, that means that it smells like coconut. I love coconut.
My tropical paradise is coconut.
Oh look, little wonders, it has a cute house made by coconuts. Let's turn it around. Oh, that's it here. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's take her out.
Do-do-do. Little Rainglow Zelf.
Oh, look at that, little wonders. Okay, first I wanna smell that. Oh, wow. It smells coconut. Wow, it's super, super, super awesome. It's so fresh. Oh, and your hair is super soft. Oh, I love that color. It's a fire parrot red. I think her eyes are gray. What do you think, guys? They're not blue, but they're not black either. I think they're gray, but if you have any other suggestions, let me know by commenting below. She has a white face. Okay, the hands are just amazing. I mean, look at them. They have so many colors. Red, yellow, green. The rest of the body is red and yellow. Oh, and the wings, blue and a little bit of red on the inside. Red with blue and yellow for the other side. Oh, isn't that awesome? Okay, let's see what it comes with. Wow, it comes with this super, super cute coconut nest. Oh, look outside the window. Oh, there's a Zelf. Do you know who that Zelf is, little wonders? If you know, write it in the comments. Wow, so this little nest is made by coconut. It has leaves under the little house all the way around. Oh, and a cute flower here. Okay, let's see the leaflet now.
I'm tired. Can I sit in my nest?
Of course you can. Okay, let's find the parrot Zelf. Oh, here it is. It's Rainglow. It's a parrot Zelf. Delicious story. So this Zelf loves to add color to everyone's life. She's living rainbow as she flies to create Zelf-tastic skies. Wow! Her crazy colored coconut hat is the perfect place to have a nutty dream. Zelf power, colorful. Birthday International Color Day, March 21st. Oh, that's cool. So you like to live rainbow as you're flying, right?
Yeah, I love it. Woohoo!
Thanks for watching, little wonders. If you like me, give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe!
Mwah. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Rach. Don't forget to subscribe to become a little wonder. You will enjoy 2 new videos every day. See you there. Bye.